Welcome to Advanced ETL Processor online tutorial. Today we will be talking about passing parameters into reports. This tutorial is relevant to both Advanced ETL Processor and Visual Importer ETL. Here is the table we're going to use as report source. It has only two fields, ID and description, and 3 records. Let us start by creating a report. Here is Report Creation Wizard. The connection is demo. The table is called Report Table. Here is our report SQL. All done. Let us preview the report. All done. Here are our 3 records. Next step is to create report parameter. Value is 1. The second step is to create SQL parameter. Okay, we need to map out SQL parameter to report parameter. Okay, let us preview the report. It should show only 1 record. Let us change the report parameter from 1 to 2 and preview it again. Now we see a different record. Let us run the report from the package. Report parameters. Let us save the report as PDF file. Ready to run. Here is the file. As you can see, the parameter was applied to the report and it was generated for ID 1. Thank you for your time. Please visit our website for more information.